All right, sup everyone. So today we're gonna be doing something pretty revolutionary, I'd say. So you can probably tell, got something new in the bottom corner here. A nice little timer. Took me a while to figure out, but we got it. We got it. So you may be asking, what are we speedrunning? Well, we're in the Ableton 12, and what genre would I pick? Drum and bass, right? So doing a little bit of a drum and bass speedrun today in 30 minutes, and the rules are no splice for me.
Hell no.
So I can't have any splice. The only samples I can have are like drums and like risers and shit. Because fuck those. I don't like making them. So without any further ado, let's begin the speedrun. Hit start on that timer. Alright, timer's down. Now we actually got to cook. So drum loop. As you can tell, I might have already put a few drum samples in, but it's fine. So 175 is always best drum and bass BPM there is. Do a little drum and bass loop here. Gotta get the metro on. Definitely want this. This kick's like distorted as fuck. Do something like that. Like a bum, bum. That took way longer than it should have to make a nice little drum and bass drum loop, but we'll take it. So we'll do a little double kick right there. So then we just gotta... I'm just gonna try to get our sidechain trigger here all set up. And cool. So got a loop here. Need some percussion. We need a perk. Alright, so that sounds dope. We'll put that shit in. That does not sound dope. We got 24 minutes left. Let's actually get some cool shit going. So, time for basses. So, key, thinking F here. I think what I'm just going to want to do is just start making all the classic basses and then worry about arrangement later. I think that's the play. So, I'm just going to go with the sustain here. Start with like a Reese. Alright, we got a cool basic Reese, then we'll just like make some Reese-y variations. We'll load up like some random shit like that. We can kind of transform into a pluck, I guess. Maybe make a bit of a cleaner pluck. Definitely know I want shit that just like moves up, right? Like moves up in pitch. So I'm gonna like say, well, maybe like this one, right? Now I want like some fills, some shit, right? So just really trying not to be picky. It's hard, but I just want to make these basses and be done with them. So I want like a fill here, just like a hit. Oh, I need like fucking combs here. I think we'll go till 15 minutes on the clock, and then we gotta start like arranging stuff actually. So I'm gonna try to spam out a lot more shit. Alright. Need more plucks. Better plucks though. one yoy pluck. Alright, come on, fucking this way. Alright, we got like 15 minutes left on the clock here. We aren't too far, so we gotta really start cooking here. So arrangement time. Alright, so what do we all got here? We got a lot of shit. Start putting stuff places and hope for the best. So like this can like fill in these gaps maybe. Something like this. Oh, I know. This seems to be faster. 13 minutes. Alright, we gotta cook, dude. Sounds shitty right now, but you know, we'll get it. Duplicate that over. Something better here. It's a start, I think. Just need like a real fucking thing. Let's see. Does this sound better? All right, 11 minutes. We can make this work here. All right, so we got our basic kind of outline here. It's a little rough, but we got 10 minutes, so we got to really kind of cook here with the subs and shit. Okay, 9 minutes. We can still do a little bit of work on the job here, but we got to really start moving. Just want kind of a different start. So we could do something like, fuck. Yeah, we'll just go quick here. Alpha 1, destination, global master tune, one way, plus fucking 24 ST. There. Something like that. There. Alright, mix is rough, but we don't care about the mix quality, we care about the bass quality. So, onto the subs here. Obviously, we are kind of a little tight on the time, I'd say. So, what key are we even in? I don't know. Doesn't matter. I don't even have a sub preset in here. Damn. Actually, I like the basic shapes one. No OTT on subs, I was told, so we're not doing that. Oh, now we got some sub. And I think I just want like one here that's up a lot. All right, 6 minutes. We are really needing this 6 minutes. Holy shit. So we need a build in 6 minutes. So I really need to cook here. That's what we're gonna attempt to do. So, blue. Stay organized under pressure still, though. You know, that's how we roll. Drag this out. Do alt copy, copy, copy. All right. Now we need some build action in here. So, sweet. I don't like that too much. We got 5 minutes. We gotta move. The nastiest build I've ever heard, and probably not the best way. Turn that shit down a bit. Do like a fucking auto filter. I mean, the favorites. Fuck plugins. Fuck audio effects. Auto filter. And we need some reverb. Reverb. Want it semi-wet. And the wetness will decline here. Perfect. Some shit like that. Fuck, we need a way better snare build. We only got 3 minutes. Holy jeez. I kind of like this, actually. I might risk it for the time just to get this sounding good. Doesn't sound 2 minutes. We need some. Woo! We are struggling here. Ain't even gonna lie to you. Alright, now we need riser at 2 minutes. Perfect. Alright, we could probably use that somewhere. Almost a minute left. Holy. Something like that. Oh, minute left. Here we go. So, I want this one fucking loud. Oh, okay. 20 seconds. Come on. I want like a drum roll. Oh, time's up, dog. All right. So we just completed a bit of a, a little bit of a challenge. So my first time making drum and bass in a while, actually. It was pretty surprising. So, and my first time ever trying this, unedited. Hopefully I kind of sped up some of the really boring parts. I'm sure there are some of those. And yeah, let's just kind of see what we got going here, I guess. One small change. All right. So, uncut here from the end. Let's take a listen. I'm kind of hopeful that it sounds good. So, let's see what we got. Let me make it a bit longer. That didn't sound too great. I didn't get the vibe long enough. All right, retry. Well, I don't know about you, but for 30 minutes with, no splice samples, apart from some drums, sounds pretty good. I'm vibing with that. So, if you liked, definitely rip a sub. Go check out the tunes. Spotify and stuff. Probably be in the description, I hope, if I'm not lazy. And yeah, rip a sub, rip a like, and yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. I love reading the comments, as always. Yeah, definitely leave that feedback down there. I appreciate it. So yeah, I bet that concludes our little speed run. And yeah, have a fantastic rest of your day, I guess.